I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm here! I'm here! Yeah! Yeah, you guys ready? I know it's Wednesday. I just realized we should probably do Technical Tuesday. Yeah, but I like Wednesday. All right, you guys ready to go? Hey, you're looking good today. You're working out? All right, I finally found the music. All right, let's get on with it. Yeah, welcome to Forex.Today, the YouTube community of more than 20,000. 20, not 20, 20. 20,000 foreign exchange traders. We gather here today to conduct technical and fundamental analysis with the overriding goal of planning our trades because trading is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Hey, my name is Wayne. Nice to meet you. Shake, 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 shake. I'm a currency trader. Whoa, I'm off center though. I'm off center. Wow, no, somebody's off center. Is it me? I guess it's me. It's not my monitor. All right. Well, anyways, I'm a currency trader just like you. I like Forex and futures. I like trading, but I also like investing. Did you know that I started a trading group called the Council of Investment Advisors? We're going to turn 50,000 US dollars into $1 million and more. Yeah, that's cool. But that's investing, not trading. But what we will do today is technical and fundamental analysis. Yes. So primarily technical. Today I've asked you via the poll to post a trade plan on tradeplans.ai so I can review your technical trade plan. It takes seconds. Cool. And so I'll go through your charts today. I'll go through mine. I'm waiting for various setups. I got a couple of setups I'm waiting for now, so we'll go over those. And I'll, of course, answer your questions, whatever's on your mind. I will do my best to help. I am here to serve you. All I ask is that if you are new, you subscribe. And for everybody else, you should click the thumbs up button. That's all I really ask for. There should be hundreds of thumbs up buttons, but I don't know. Maybe where you're from, you don't do that. Where I'm from, you do that. Cool. Resources I want you to that I want to point you to. In the description below, you'll see a link to this tradeplans.ai. This is where people are posting their trade plan right now, and I'm going to go review them in a second. Not only will I give you feedback, but so will our artificial intelligence called Aiden. You get it? Aiden helps you. He's aiding you. Cool. Also in the description below, there's a link to tradersway.com, an ethical and trustworthy foreign exchange broker. I recommend them. You should check them out. It's good. Okay? I use their MT4. I trade with them every day. My coaching platform is with tradersway.com. I've been with them 8 or 9 years. There's a link to Investor Bootcamp. About 100 hours of video training for $88 a year, not a month, a year. It's hard to believe. Yeah. I wanted this to be accessible to everybody, so you should try it. It's good. Another one is Quant-in-a-Box. This is a service I own that automates your macroeconomic research so that you can organize your thoughts based on reality. Things like macroeconomic data. Check it out. You can organize all your thoughts. Neutral. Based on things like institutional positioning, retail sentiment, seasonality, technical trends, GDP, inflation, unemployment, interest rates. And remember, it's comparative analysis, so it's Canada versus the United States. So it's cool. I mean, cool. You should try that. The trial is $8. The goal is to give you confidence to let your winners run. All right, so several people have posted a trade plan. Anybody else? Okay, and with that being said, then let's get on with it. We'll do mine first. Hang on. We'll do my stuff first, and then we'll do your stuff. I think that's fair. Let me just move this over, and I gotta organize. It's so hard working with just one screen when you're used to 18. All right, so here we are. Now I've lost the chat, though. Oh, there's the chat. Yes, guten Morgen to everybody. Please let me know if you're going to post a trade plan. All right, cool. So, all right, I guess we'll start here. S&P 500. This is something that I've been eyeballing over the last, I don't know, couple hours. If we go further out, you'll see that on a 4-hour, we're on a moving average. And also, if we were to extend this across, we're at support. So my thesis is up, down, up. Okay? That's my thesis. Is it going to happen? Well, I don't know. That's just my thesis. It's what we call a plan. So my plan is, my strategic plan is S&P 500 turns up today. I know it's down now. I understand that. Shh. If it turns north, I can buy it somewhere around here. Okay, great. So now it could be on a 5-minute chart and I can wait. Okay, the bigger move is below me. So I know that. So it could still fall. It could fall at the open. And then I end up buying it 2 hours from now. That's okay. I'm waiting. Or if I zoom back in, it breaches to the upside. You see this? So let's do it in another color here. Or it breaches to the upside. Let's do it this way. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Then my plan will be to buy it here. Okay? You see? Or it makes a lower low, and I will wait and I'll look to do the same thing down here. Okay. And maybe get long sort of in that zone. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so I'm going to scalp long, maybe, probably. I'm looking to scalp on a 5-minute chart and hold until December 12th. So I'm going to take a shot on a 5-minute chart to the upside, maybe, if it sets up. I'm going to hold it until December. Cool. Nice, right? How about gold? What about gold today? Well, same sort of thing. Let's go out to a 4-hour. And this is a trade plan I set up, I don't know, Sunday? Maybe last week? Can't remember. A while ago. And the idea is up, down, up. You can see I've already drawn it. But you can see I was looking for a 3A2 Fibonacci retracement. Cool, and I got that. So I'm in a giant maybe I buy this. A giant maybe. Not quite ready, but I'm getting ready to get ready. So I can look for it here. Cool. So I could, if I so choose, do something like this, huh? Somewhere along this line, get along. And you can see I already have a channel formed, do you see? Bullish buy zone, bullish profit zone. On a 5-minute chart only, okay? So we have the double bottom, higher high, higher low, buy, 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 buy. Roll reversal. And maybe there. So if I wasn't coaching right now, I might actually be trading that. Neato, huh? Neato. Brent hit 90. Yeah. I could be scalping oil today. And the green is a buy zone. Huh? So if I was a scalper of oil, down, 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 up, up, sell. Down, 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 up, up, sell. Down, up, 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 down, down, buy. See? And now maybe in the future, we have something like that. Skippity, skippity. Haste is on its way. Scalpity, scalp, scalp. To the upside, hold to 100. It's only a 5-minute chart. Do you like this kind of stuff? I hope you do. Okay, cool. Just warming you up. Are you warmed up? Who's warmed up? Let's go through some of your trading ideas. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 bow, ba-na-na-na. Oh, wow, wow, oh, wow. Oh. All right. So notice that all these trade plans that we're going to go through today, notice that they're anonymous. So you have nothing to lose and only to gain. Now here's the thing. I'm going to be able to review it and agree or disagree with you. Okay? Others can also review it. Others that post, you have to post. You have to be an active participant. See, you have to be an active participant. But they can also review. Again, they don't know who you are. They can't see anything. And they just look at it and they think about it. And they can also give you some feedback, agree or disagree. They don't have to give opinions and, no, you're wrong, and, oh, you missed this, and this is what I think. Who the heck cares? So agree or disagree, okay? So I can give you feedback, others can give you feedback, but here's the thing. Our artificial intelligence gives you feedback, and it is amazing. It's amazing technology. So you'll get that instantly. So you submit your plan either from the home page. You just fill this in. Okay? Even if you haven't registered yet, you just fill this in. And then we just ask you, where do you want your feedback? That's it. Super ridiculously simple. Cool. And how much does it cost? It's free. I'll pay for everything. All right. So anyways, or you post a trade plan here. It's the same thing, same idea. Notice that there's stock indices, Forex, futures, and crypto. Nice. Which means we have thousands of candlestick data for every single one of those. 100,000, hundreds of thousands of candlestick data points. Anyways, let's get on with it. This person is selling Aussie CAD. Oh, all right. Fundamentally, does that make sense? Yeah, I guess so. China down and oil's up, so I guess so. Yeah, okay, fine. Even though we just want to do this technically. Down, down, down. Oh, let's do a different color. Down, 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 up, up. Okay, yeah. Down, 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 down. 100% pullback, though. That does bother me a bit. This is 4 hours, so that's actually fairly seasonal, so I guess I'm okay with it. Then we have a new range, a breakout, a pullback, long and gone. Well, in this case, down, long and down and gone, down and out. We're right on that line, huh? Wowzer. The only thing that bugs me is this, clearly. The other thing that bugs me a little bit is this trade plan is done as well. So it probably will look more like that. But selling off the moving averages, off of a roll reversal and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, you know what? Yep. Okay. Yeah. Oops. Oh, that's a new trade plan. Yeah, I'll go with that. Okay, a selling euro dollar. Oh, I don't have a lot of time frame here. So when you're posting, a little more trade plan would be, or time would be fine, but I'm okay. Not sure what this is. I guess just marking it. Yeah. This doesn't give me context. So it's not really enough information. So it's like saying, is this how you ride a motorcycle? And then I don't see that there's a wall in front of you. You know, I can't see the past, so I can't tell if there's a wall in front of you. But I mean, am I going to disagree with that? Well, I can't tell you up. So yeah, I guess so. But I can't tell you up. But there's just not enough information. Now, I could go find it, but that's your job. All right. And by the way, when it comes to getting your screenshot, for example, so let's do nat gas. Let's say you're using MT4, or I'm sure MT5 is exactly the same. Instead of doing a screenshot, okay, you can just save the picture. Okay? So, like, I'll just put a bullshit trade plan. Okay? Okay, there's a bullshit trade plan, right? Okay, great. So now you could just go save picture as, okay. Okay, and now you have your nat gas picture, just like that. And so I keep it in a screenshot folder, or you can create like a trade plans folder and it'll just pop it in there. Now I could post that and it looks like this, see? See how easy that is? So you're like, I don't have the software to take a screenshot. First of all, you do, unless you use Linux or something. So you do have the software, but even if you don't know how to use it or access it, you can do it that way. All right. So I guess that's a buy. Let me just confirm. Gold buy. Okay. Gold buy. All right. Well, maybe. What 4H? Not on this chart, though. I suppose you could. But you have this as a challenge and this as a challenge. So what I would rather your trade plan show is more like buy. Okay? So simply buying it there, you're taking on some risk of this. So it's hard, like, I'm going to probably disagree with it, but I'll probably end up making the same trade. I'll probably end up buying it, but the issue is, you know, you got to get some more up. I understand buying this, but then you're only going to get in the trouble there. And so now there's like, well, there's a 50-50 chance. Well, I don't like the 50-50 chance part. So, yeah, this was a tough one. It's an okay trade. It's mediocre, but I'm going to disagree with it. I don't like buying lower lows. I'd rather wait for the up and buy a higher low. Okay, so sort of. Euro dollar, here's somebody else's euro dollar. Okay, oh, let's double check. What are they doing? They're selling euro dollar. Okay, let's look at this. Delete. Okay, let's do this. So they have a bottom here. Okay, I don't like that. It's too close to the bottom, but let's go. This is an M2 to M4. So yeah, I'm okay with it. It's okay. It's the last shot. It's the last shot. It's the last one, but it's valid, so I'm going to agree. Okay, assets selling Kiwi CAD. Yeah. All right, let's... This doesn't look great, so I'm not sure why they're so interested in trading this. I mean, the moving average is braided. There's like, ugh. I think it's too early to add, in my opinion. I would like to see another lower low, lower high. I think it's one too early. I see that they're on a profitable trade. I'd rather move the stop and then add after this lower low. I'm going to look, I see this as rangy for now. So I'm going to disagree. It's a bit of a bet. 906, so this is also from today. And by the way, thank you very much for posting your trade plans. I hope you're enjoying this. There's, right? If you're enjoying this, let me know by clicking the like button. Literally, that tells me that I'm doing the right thing. If I'm wasting time and you'd rather me do something else, let me know. Okay? Just the like button. The fire stuff's cool. But just let me know with the like button. Like half of you haven't clicked it, so like I'm like, what WTF am I screwing up here? Aussie yen long. All right, talk to me, Goose. What do we got? What do we got here? All right, let's mark it up. Let me just double check. Buy 94.99. Okay. Yeah, so the idea is, you know, test, 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 higher high. So can you do this? Guess so. I'm not sure. This MACD doesn't look like it's set properly. It's not very smooth. Something's wrong. It's probably set on standard. It's using the 21, what is it, the 1226? You're like, whatever, bro. But, okay, so this is meaningless, I think. Yeah, but as far as the technicals, a big pullback, okay? Some consolidation and now some resumption. Yeah, I'm okay with that one. I'm going to go with it. Another euro dollar trade. They're going to buy it 107.5-ish. All right. So based on this chart, remember, I'm not trying to think. I'm trying to just see what you're sharing with me. Okay. Now check this out. Okay, I don't like it yet, kind of thing. What time frame? Daily. I don't see a moving average as support. I see a potential range. So I understand the range idea, but remember I'm a trend trader. And what I don't like as a bull, that it's made 100% retracement. So it's kind of like going back to that 50-50 concept. Isn't this pretty likely for the next period? This is a counter trend trade. Actually, the counter trend should be a little lower and then back up. So like, I don't care about this support pivot, so that's meaningless to me. The counter trend is down here. So the entry is more like 106, not 107. I really don't like this. And I don't like that we're below this. So I'm gonna disagree on this one. I think there's too much hope. Now, I wanted to do that, but that's irrelevant, right? So I'm gonna disagree. You know, the classic reversal, by the way, is this. So there's just too much risk on that, on this type of setup. Now it is daily, but you know, the person is highlighting this S1. I don't give two hoots about the S1. So whatever. Yeah, I'm going to disagree with it for now. Okay, oh, here's a nice clean plan. Today, 5 o'clock in the morning. Thank you. Richard, do I believe in springs and up thrust or no, this is all nonsense. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, we have a bottom, very well defined. Wait, I forgot what asset this is. What is this? Buying pound yen. Okay, buying pound yen. So we have a bottom. And we have one of these. Yeah, and the thing is, I'm actually doing this myself. Doesn't mean I like it. So it's more like this is what's going on in this trade plan on the shorter run. On the longer run, we need to break out of this. So the issue is I don't know if we're going to come back to, let's say, 184 and regroup at the bottom of this channel. But if we're going to isolate, could you do this and up today? Yeah, I think you could. And if you're wrong, you're going to lose a little bit of money. It's not a great trade yet. Okay, but we're above this support and we're using this support. And it has made a higher high. This would be a higher low. Okay, so now you got to be on a 5-minute chart and take this north. And it kind of looks like it's developing if you see this big move here, right? It's respecting that support. So yeah, I will agree with this one. Okay. So that's the first page. I can go all the way to the top of this page. And a couple more people have posted, which is cool. Notice that the page updates without the page refreshing. I know, right? Okay. Yeah, only 51 thumbs up. All right, S&P 500, buy. Okay, let's take a look. Hour. Well, you would use that as a bottom. So could you think this? Yeah, I think you could. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Again, it's the entry now. The strategy is fine, but notice we don't have anything close like that when this was posted. So a little further down and then some up maybe, but we don't have any setup yet. But strategically, yes. Tactically, probably early. So you have to follow the tactics properly because right now what the chart says is down. So it's more like if it comes down to this price and then it turns north, then you enter. So, but tactically that doesn't exist right now. But I will agree with the strategy. Okay. It's an okay thought, but it's not set up yet. Another euro dollar. Yeah, my worry is the person that posted this didn't post the fact that I believe this is a double bottom. And I wonder if they see left. But if I recall this correctly, this is down, 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 up, up, sell, down, 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 up, sell, down, 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 out. I think is what's setting up on the shorter run. But yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm just worried they missed the bottom part. And well, that's enough. So today I have covered for you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trade plans! Like they count. A la peanut butter sandwiches! Yeah, very cool. So thank you. I thought maybe we'll make this a common occurrence. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for posting to tradeplans.ai. And I hope the feedback I provided was helpful. Remember, I'm not trying to be judgy. I'm trying to keep it as technical as possible. But you also got feedback from Aiden. And I hope you appreciated his feedback as well. Tradeplans.ai. Cool. We have a new logo. I just haven't had time to give it to the developer. Yeah. Oh, no, thank you, Lucas. All right, get that out of the way. Okay. So, still too early for gold. Cool. We'll move over to the stock indices. All right, let's do the stock indices around the world. Starting with the S&P 500. You can see it's using the old channel as resistance, but I am watching this price here. And too early to buy. So just paying attention here. We're entering a buy zone, but the buy zone is lower than the other buy zones. So it's not really a buy zone. And in fact, you can probably see if you're astute. Are you astute? I know I'm learning. I'm an astute. That's the sell zone. So that's what I have to be cognizant of. But yeah, I'm playing the idea. I bought the double bottom. Now I want the higher low. All right. That's not there yet, so I got to watch this on a 5-minute chart, not a 4-hour chart. So too early there. What's going on in Germany? Down. Okay, so again, let's mark this up. Double bottom. Watch your fibs. Is it too late? Is the move dead? No, we're actually on a 618, so it's perfectly fine. If it falls much further, then it's not a retracement. But this is still plausible strategically. But it would have to kind of flip now. Today would be ideal. So we have a bottom, a second test, a third test. So for the DAX, it'd be interesting on a smaller time frame if it starts to work its way north, because that could be setting up a trade between now and even next week. So that's the DAX in Germany. Okay, how about the FTSE in the UK, the Financial Times Stock Exchange? Also, like everybody else, having a pullback and a bigger pullback, no double bottom. Notice that it started off of the target. So look how perfect this trade was, by the way. M3 predicts M1. Oh my God, perfect entry, perfect exit. So be interesting to see what happens now. So we have the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, double top, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then maybe higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, you know, depending what everybody else is doing. Okay. Yeah. All right. Japanese stock market. Red hot. Holy smokes. Yeah. So anyways, there almost needs to be a pullback now. Okay. It's too hot. Okay. This move here worked. Remember, this is a sell zone. This is a take profit zone. And what we actually want is the up. And now we have the up. So it seems like we're going to run into a price wall around 33.50, 33.5, like basically where we are now, and a lower low, lower high. And it didn't pull back like everybody else. So that should give you a focus on yen pairs. Taking a look at Australia, ASX. Okay, definitely has printed a lower high. And we have a higher low. Smells like an apex. Okay, interesting. So we want to pay attention to this. Okay, a down and an up. I mean, it's hard to read this one because it doesn't really, when I see situations like this, people really rely on their, like what they learned in some pattern course. Well, you know, this means that. What do you mean it means? It doesn't mean anything. What you want to do is look and ask, why are people buying or selling the Australian stock market? So I'm not going to make a decision because we're like, well, it's an inverse, you know, flag pattern. And it's an inverse pennant. So therefore, no, whatever, bro. Whatever. I mean, those are helpful and it's nice you recognize them, but I wouldn't make a decision based on that. So it's more like, you know, is this based on the China news? Yeah, maybe. And is China slowing down and industrial production slowing down and the velocity of money slowing down and the value of their currency going up? And yeah. Cool. Great. Okay. Can you imagine? Yeah. So instead of getting into this battle, I might say, if there's a catalyst, like a Chinese default, I'm going to be selling this. How about that? And don't do something because of some pattern. You know, tell me why the money is moving. Okay? I want to know why the money is moving. So looking at the S&P 500 again from a different point of view, we're in a perfectly fine place to consider buying. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. And so I plan on sitting around most of today waiting to probably buy the daily 21. That's my plan for today. Boring as heck, but when you realize what you're doing is boring, you're probably doing the right thing or digging a hole. Because that is boring. All right, hang on. I got to take a screenshot of something because YouTube is asking me to change my settings. It says my settings are too good. Well, I'll try to dumb it down, YouTube. Move that over there. All right. So I'm going to have a really boring day today. Super boring. But that's when you know you're probably doing something right. Or you're mining. You're like, enough with it, Wayne. No, it's true. Mining is very boring. You're intensively boring. So yeah, I guess that's it. I think I'm done. Did you click the thumbs up button? No. No, well, some of you did, and I appreciate that. And yeah, so have a wonderful day. Day traders, I'll see you at 4 for the market close. Don't forget that in about an hour, the Quant-in-a-Box video is released. So remember, you can visit youtube.com/Quant-in-a-Box. And you can check that out. You can subscribe. It's free. But I think you should attend the morning videos, which means you'd be a subscriber. Yeah, very cool. Okay, and also for those that are joining the CIA, people are signing up right now, and if you're on the process of, thinking about it or you're intending to do it, you should email me. Also, here's the thing. Jean-Guy had an awesome idea last night, and he's like, we should try to do a meeting for the September. And in my mind, I'm like, oh, there's not enough time, but I think there is enough time. It's not a bad idea, Jim. So here's the thing. I might need to ask you guys, should we do our first CIA meeting in September and not wait to December? And my thought is the easiest thing I can do, and the easiest thing for most people, is to host it in New York City, because it's easy to fly into, and do it at the Harvard Club. I can just call them up. I need to make a donation to the Harvard Club anyways. I've been delaying it. But I'm trying to work something so I can get my picture on the wall. So when I'm dead, at least there'll be a painting of Wayne McDonald on the wall. So the thing is, and JGB says, yeah, need preparation for the December meeting. Yeah, well, it's both, right? So, yeah. Right. But we can do the meeting, and we can do it in New York and all that kind of stuff. And there may be, again, maybe only 5 or 6 people or can do it, but there's a lot of people that live in the New York City area or can easily get there by train or by plane or by automobile. So, if we got six people together and everyone else attended online, I can take advantage of that and do some training. Right? Yeah, online works best probably for most people, but I also like going to New York City and hanging out at the Harvard Club. And we can have a rooftop mixer. We can go to dinner and cigars after. I'm like, that sounds pretty good too. It's another excuse to get together is all I'm saying. Yeah. So anyways, I guess I'll post a link, investorbootcamp.com/CIA. There you go. You can take a look at that. So anyways, lots of things to think about. Busy day, busy day, busy day, busy day. Lots of things setting up. Got to go. That was real. Thanks for being you, because you are beautiful.